What's up, y'all? Get ready to watch Mexico tours the beautiful condominiums in Rosarito Beach and Tijuana. These condos are low-cost condos that you can buy and live here permanently, or you can just rent it for a vacation spot. They are beautiful and they're not far from my old apartment. So they are actually just 10 minutes south of the border from San Diego.
Hollywood
Check
2000
out this
welcomes
video.
you to the beautiful Baja, Mexico Ocean View condominiums. Yeah, how many units are in this place, man? This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. This can be all yours. Come and enjoy. To Baja California, Mexico, and enjoy these beautiful ocean view condominiums. The most beautiful ocean view condominiums, only 20 minutes south of the border. We have basketball courts, tennis courts, ocean view pools with a beautiful sunset. All of this can be yours. Come and enjoy this oasis. Yeah, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. You got so much pretty. Baja California, Mexico. Brought to you by Hollywood2000.com. For the beautiful condominiums, Baja California, Mexico. No, you probably the shot. That's natural. Whatever skills you get, if you're in the shot, that's cool. It's always better when you see some live humans. Jeff, this is, I could have never imagined, man. When you say you take me to the ultimate spot, woo! What can I say?
This place has a pool that just overflows, and it's so beautiful. Actually, it has three pools in this place. One right there on the ocean, one you can see right there coming down the walkway, and one out front that's near the ocean. So two pools right near the ocean, man. This place is amazing. And then you can work out in the gym with ocean view, and sit in the sauna with ocean view, and then sit in your own cabana with a small little pool. It's just amazing.
getting a tour of the most beautiful condominiums in Baja California. This tour, our tour guide is Jeff Hall of the Hall Realty Group.
Welcome to Las Olas Grand. After a day by the beach, entertain right in your private unit. You fired up the barbecue?
This is unbelievable. This book.
You want? Reserve your own private jacuzzi and cabana. At Las Olas Grand, we have something for everyone.
Man. Unbelievable. Yeah, the whole thing is like,
Why do you think it's so big, sauna?
Looking to work out? Do it right here with the Las Olas Ocean View.
is this like the ballroom? Yeah. Nice shot. This is a perfect shot right here of actually what the whole towers look like. And this is a mirror shot.
Now these pictures are just some cool pictures of my old apartment in Tijuana, only 10 minutes from the condominium. And that's the inside view, my old studio. And the window view, looking over the ocean, another window view. Amazing, man. Apartments for only $300 a month. And you can just stay there and live a nice life in Tijuana, Mexico. A few of our cool products. Make sure you check out all the links in the description to see all of our products on both of our Hollywood 2000 stores. You can find some cool stuff. And please share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can send you the notification for more videos that we upload. We really appreciate your support. So I will talk to y'all later. Bye.
Hollywood2000.com.
Hollywood.
Hollywood 2000.